to another video and another episode. This is episode 9, depending on what order I put them out, because I like putting them out in random orders. Of Speed Build!
Yeah, I'm sorry guys that we've not done this for ages.
Right now. And yeah, new thing, we now have Speed 2, just because this is a big area now. And yeah. Yeah, okay. Guys, I'll kind of be right back. Yeah, be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I forgot to get the skin up.
Yeah, really dumb. Real dumb.
We realised that's not really Jeb's skin. Yeah. But
yeah, we did,
it's another version of Jeb's skin, and we just thought, well, screw it, we're doing it.
Well, we're basically doing it, but yeah, because Jez, you got the wrong skin. But it doesn't matter.
Hey, do you want to be doing it first? And yeah, we are going to start. You ready? Get your inventory open.
Oh, I certainly am ready.
Building blocks.
Oh, we're allowed to get our blocks?
Give me a second.
Okay, I'm gonna get my block. Oh, we're not?
No.
Okay.
You're not allowed to get them. Ugh. I remember wool only.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Right. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Okay. I can do this.
So bad. This will look so bad. Just warning you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, I'm hyped.
Okay.
I'm hyped.
Yeah, same.
I can do this.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so then I go like this. And then I go like this. And then I go like this.
Sorry, I've not been commentating, I've just been counting, sorry about that. You should so record it so we can do some weird split screen thing, and everyone can watch what we're both doing at the same time.
That wouldn't really work.
Why?
Because I'm actually, like, I've got my skin right next to it, and like you'd see the skin as well.
No, you wouldn't.
Yeah, you would. No, you'd see the internet as well, because I'm not
No,
gonna.
you wouldn't, because Fraps only records your game. It recognises it's a program. It'll only record that window. It's really cool.
Okay. Okay, I've done the box. I think we're about the same place at the minute. Just doing the bottom. I'm just gonna have a quick look at this in a minute.
Kind of annoying for this.
Okay, that is a good start. Black.
Okay, I've just taken away my speed because I can. Let's grey, let's dark.
I'm gonna mute my mic for a minute.
Okay, see you in a second then. And yeah, if you're wondering guys, I am indeed building I need to put Optifine on.
Okay.
Next video I will have Optifine, so yeah. That will be good, because we can zoom in on what he's building. And you never told me or the viewers who that surprise guest is gonna be. What's gonna be you maybe thinking about?
Well, I've still got it planned, and the surprise guest will be...
Tell me. Tell me.
And that will be revealed after the break.
No, actually tell me.
I'm not saying yet.
Why?
Because it's on video, I can tell you after.
No, I'm gonna...
I like getting buttons.
No, I'm gonna... the whole point is to give me a challenge of editing and actually remembering to blank it out after, so it's a surprise for the viewers still.
No, it's fine. Anyway, viewers, I will tell you next time. I promise.
Unless I decide to put it as a beep in editing.
And keep spamming engine, by the way. Yeah, keep up the good work.
No one's been spamming this engine. I need to do that after this video. I might even do a video me spamming Rosie Rue's engine. Lol, a nickname that I call him sometimes.
It has something to do with hippos, and we don't talk about that anymore. Anyway.
What does Hippo even play on these days? And also, you'd make a good YouTuber, just saying. Boom. Okay, now let's do this. Okay, I'm not gonna do that again.
Yeah, I'm gonna do grey.
Whoa, you're quite far in actually, aren't you?
Really? I've been trying to do this. I've actually been doing this pretty slow, but.
Oh, wait, I'm going to need red. It's a weird thing about that.
Six up, I think.
Stop singing right now.
I'd never sing. I never sung. I need to get my grammar right. Okay, anyway, we can do this. What? Not we. Team Rossi can do this. We should have their team names. Team Rossi and Team Jessa. Who votes Team Rossi? Me. What? Why are we pausing?
Guy Ritchie.
Oh, I was like, what?
I was gonna do start making team names, but I thought I have all the wool in my hotbar inventory slot thing. I don't even need these speed potions anymore because yeah, I'm too cool for speed potions.
Ooh.
Kind of. I just use commands.
You just use commands.
Yeah, really. Don't
okay,
I've speed away because.
Oh, you might see those buttons. They're not gonna stay there forever.
What buttons?
It's for counting purposes. You start can count the block easy because it's pretty hard. Yeah, that's me. I've got a new I was about to say I got a new YouTube account, but I haven't.
Got a unique what?
I was about to say I'm gonna start recording videos, but I'm not. If we got 100 likes on this video, I'm gonna start recording videos. I know we probably won't get it, but if we do, I will do it.
Let's actually set a target, guys. Can we get 5 likes on this video? Let's see.
Okay. No, not 5, 15. I think we can get 15 maybe.
Okay, give it a yeah. Lol.
I mean, it'd be a shame if we...
Can we get 15 in 3 months or 5 in... Oh, 15 in 1.5 months or 2 weeks for 5 likes? Yeah. 2 weeks for 5 likes. Let's see how we do.
And if we do, then there'll be some partying and I'll start a new YouTube account.
No, you won't unless we get 100 likes. No. Don't worry. Stop singing. Yay! Wall misplacement! Thank God I can use World Edit to destroy my misplacement. There we go. That wasted time, didn't it? I'm just gonna... You know what? I'm just gonna World Edit this thing because... Why not? It's not even gonna show. I'm just gonna set it as... I can't spell. Is that how you spell it? Brown wool.
You are joking. No. No. Okay, you won this.
Why?
You won this. Yeah, you won this. Ooh, could I go? That's not. Oh, there we go.
Has this gone terribly wrong or something?
It's not black. It's blue.
Yes! Time!
Yeah, you've got time now,
Alright,
but
be right back.
I'm gonna do this as quick as I can. Oh my, that was so dumb. I mean, that's the most dumb mistake I've ever done. I mean, I've done my arms and my zip, so I've got that, thankfully. So you'll probably be about level with me by the time I've done this, maybe ahead.
Sorry about that. I'm back.
Okay, thank God those last bits are black, because I would hate to do those shoes again. Actually, I could probably get away.
Right back.
I could probably get away with doing something.
Like.
I could probably have black in the middle still, because it doesn't show. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, I can do this. Okay, I can do this. Oh, you're catching up. Well, I have done the arms, so that's what my advantage.
I always do the arms last.
I know you do. I always do the arms pretty much first. Well, not first, but like.
I know. Pretty soon and quick, I must say.
Okay.
I don't know.
You've been slower than normal today, though. Maybe you're out of the building habits. Okay. I think I've got away with doing that. Okay, I'm done. That was a massive time loss, but it's not the end of the world.
It's not the end of the
the back hair. Do you have to do the hair on the back?
Yes, because I did.
Okay.
The back does actually count.
That's the only hard part, really, about mine.
It is quite easy. Not reasonably easy, I must say.
And you're doing so slow with it. That's the weird part.
I'm not actually. It's literally just a load of filling in colours though. That is the annoying part about it, I must admit. Doesn't make you think really. It's just, oh yeah, I need to place this. I can't.
Okay, so we'll do 2 more layers of these. And 1 more.
Hey, I'm almost done with this filling in of red wool.
Red wool?
You see? Yeah, not as dark red on them.
Fail. That's fine.
Just saying his head will fail so bad.
Oh, is it hard?
You don't have the right. I don't have the right colours. And because I can. Don't know what that was for.
Okay.
Oh, that's quite cool. Oh, Chili. Okay, no.
Charlie?
What? I said actually. For no reason.
Oh no. You're not doing your head, are you?
Yeah, I am.
I need to catch up. Because I've still got the hair left. I have done the arms, that's the good thing. Jeb's head though is, well, it's not
It's hard.
easy, but it's not hard. Okay, spam this.
This looks so bad. Yeah, it does. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I just need to fill this in now. I haven't got the right colour. I'm using pink for his face. And I know it's going to turn out horribly. I have thought of making this modded, by the way, just saying. So I could quickly make a mod where it adds in loads of different colour wool. And then, yay! We may be able to actually build stuff, I guess you could say. Fully?
I've finally done this. Well,
Good!
no, I haven't.
Nice! Well done!
Now, here comes the tricky part.
The hair.
The hair. Orange.
Oh my god, this is funny. Oh, I missed the part there. Yay! Don't know why yay, but whatever. After this, I'll only have the arms to do, just saying.
Really? No. You've won this, yeah. Yeah, you won this. Well, in time, anyway. I could
Time
still...
does count towards it, actually.
Yeah, but that's only when it goes past 5 minutes.
I know. So I haven't checked that straw poll for episode 2 to see who's voted what.
I've done the hair.
Do you like that? Now it's not raining. Yay. Oh God. Just then, I'm almost done actually.
I've done the hair, I'm on the head. Is that good?
The hair must look so bad then. Okay.
Three. Wait. I mean, I can still do this. I've done my arms and I'm on the head. So, I'm...
The head has quite a bit of detail though, doesn't it? Mine doesn't have quite as much, I must say.
Okay,
Go!
I forgot something. Actually, no, I haven't because, that'll be for the end of the build, but it's fine. You know that black thing on his behind his head? Yeah. I will need to do that, but it's no big deal.
No, right.
Light blue.
Okay. Great. Oh, I didn't realise I actually didn't have white out. I needed it.
Oh no, I haven't got too small.
What? What's
That's
wrong
fine.
now?
I was just saying I've got too small of a head, but I can but literally I'm just working on this bit, so it's absolutely fine.
Okay, nice. That's cool.
Um.
Kind of.
Okay.
That's not good. Uh-oh. Really?
Okay.
I may win this.
Yeah, it's fine.
I may win this. Actually, no, I may lose this actually.
You may win it.
I'm doing quite badly compared to you. Alright, okay.
It's the face is the real killer.
Oh, I was just about to say done. Now I realise. Oh wait, still haven't done the arms.
Oh, thank God, the back of the head's so simple.
Is it? I'm not even gonna look at time because I know the 5-minute whatever thing rule won't even come into this.
Are you finished? Oh, you're
No.
doing your arms. You might. You probably. I don't know. I could finish before you could.
Okay.
It just depends.
This will look so bad. Oh my head fell kind of almost. Don't know. But well.
I'll finish. Okay, come on. There we go. Black.
Okay. Almost done.
But you've only done one arm. I'm almost done.
No, I really am almost done. I have done them. You still have the head to do, just saying.
You've only done one arm.
And yes,
I
managed to screw up the arm, but still, who cares? Yeah, screw that up, didn't I? Well done, Joseph.
Okay.
Yeah, I love it. But, okay. Don't you just love it when I screw up in speed builds?
Yeah, I love it. I did have a screw up, didn't I? Like that black wall thing.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the only real big one I've had.
Yeah, you've been kind of lucky, I guess.
I mean, it's not turning out really. Okay, 2-2, 2-2. I'm basically finished now. Here will be the moment of truth. It actually looks quite nice. It's not finished yet.
Mine.
I'm saying mine.
Oh my god, I just screwed up so bad.
Okay,
Screwed up so
are you nearly done?
Screw it.
I'm done. Done at 20:06:04. Well, 2 hours 6 and 04 on the Skype call. 2 hours
I'm
6.
changing this now.
2 hours 6 minutes and 4 seconds on the Skype call. I'm gonna get a pen. Just give me. I'll be right back.
Okay, well done. I'm just making some finishing touches, I guess you could say. Oh, it's now a race against the clock, guys. Oh. Yeah. Hate these.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, cool.
Okay, I've got my time down.
Okay, cool.
I mean, it's probably not going to come into effect.
So I'm almost done.
I'm actually pretty happy with mine.
I'm sure you are. He says sarcastically.
I don't mean I'm not actually sarcastic. I'm actually happy with mine. Like, I was worried about this, but then
Well, I'd say that.
I got reassured.
He says sarcastically is because yeah,
Time could
I'm
come
not
into
too
play
happy
the rate you're going at.
What'd you say?
Time could come into play the rate you're going at.
Hey, it's detailed. I
really hope time comes into play. It's
I
so
want
unlike.
to see you build this next time, okay? Really, I do.
All right. I will build it. It probably will be. To be fair, I don't see how that's that hard, though. To be fair, I mean, it's not. You just messed up a bit. I mean, it's not the hardest skin in the world, is it, Notch?
Pretty hard.
Well, it's not as hard as the Sky Does Minecraft skin, is it? You know, I mean, it's not that detailed, the Notch skin. The Jeff skin's quite easy, except from the face.
The Sky Does Minecraft one is
Hard.
overly detailed, let's just say.
Yeah. I found Stampy really hard. I love my one. I think it's quite easy to do.
What?
It's like, if you're learning how to build, it's really good.
What?
To do my one, because it's basic colours and there's not much detail. Like, if you're learning how to build.
Not that
And then
hard.
if you want a challenge, you can do Sky Does Minecraft.
Yeah, mine's not that hard either. I think mine's
Well, time could come into play, but it's unlikely. You got 2 more minutes until time comes into play. But I mean, I don't think it's going to take you 2 minutes to do that. It'll probably take you maybe 30 seconds or less, or more, or whatever. Anyway, is there anything I'm just? Oh god, no. Oh god, that's. Oh god.
What?
A mess. Oh no, it's fine. I was just tricking you that I messed up. You're gonna be pretty close. And is it done? Oh no, it's not.
Not quite done yet.
Okay.
Wait, what did I mess up? Oh yeah, this is slightly done. There we go.
Are you done?
Yes! I think I am.
Okay, 210. Time doesn't come into count. I would say mine's better. This time because yours just looks like a bit large and whatever. Do you think I win this one? I did the hair all right. Do you think I win this one?
Guys.
Who wins it?
I'm just getting my jeb up, actually.
It's. I'll get notch up actually then.
You haven't even got notch yet. The face is nice. That's quite good.
I would say mine's just slightly. I mean, this time because literally like it's just. I don't know. It's just
Didn't
a
do
little.
the hair right. Didn't get the black bit in quite the right place.
Yeah, but the hair's
Lacking
close
in
enough.
detail on some sides.
I would say I win by still. Let me see. I've pretty much got the hair right, to be fair.
Not at all.
Not at all?
Your hair goes straight, doesn't go across at all.
If you look at the design, it actually goes straight as well. It finishes in the same position.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
Yours doesn't go off over here. Yours just goes down.
Does it? I thought it does. Let me see.
Yours is lacking in a lot of detail.
What are you talking about? I don't get what you're talking about.
I've done mine a bit wrong.
No, it's just looking straightforward. I'd say mine's better. Does not
The
even have.
back does count though.
I know it does. I'm just saying. I still think I won.
It's a hard
Do you think you've won? Or not?
decision. I do like the 3D vid. And
your head's really big though.
mine
And your arms are massive.
Mine doesn't look good because of the colour, I think. I just couldn't colour it quite right.
It's not that, it's just
Yours
look.
looks really quite good.
No, but look, your arms are 5 wide. That's a bit wide. Your head is like 10 wide.
You will hate me for this.
What?
I'm gonna call it a draw.
No, it's not. Don't believe. No. How is that a draw?
Your squid is better. My Sky Does Minecraft is better. And technically your Jeb should be better. You know that
Yeah, but
pattern?
no. This doesn't make sense. How is my Jeb worse than your notch? Because everything in your notch is just way too big. Doesn't make sense.
It's a draw. And
let me see about this
thank you for
red
watching,
thing on the back
guys.
anyway.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and see if we can get those 15 likes in 1.5 months or in 2 weeks. See if we can get even 5 likes. I'd be so grateful for. Please hit that subscribe button.
If it's 5 likes, we'll do a face cam.
And if what?
We might do a face cam if we get 15 likes.
Maybe.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
bye guys.